Let's take a look at some of Tach-It's most popular products for e-commerce. Tape guns available in 2-inch and 3-inch wide, various configurations from lightweight to very heavy-duty construction. One of our most popular products for the e-commerce market, used everywhere from smaller resellers to large e-commerce companies, is our Tach-It SL1. This is a manual definite length dispenser that can take tape up to 1 inch wide and simply pull down the handle and the predefined length of tape is fed out, and the cut you just lift up. Works on most types of standard packaging tape and is easily adjustable based upon your needs. A more automated version of this machine is our Tach-It Model 6115. This machine offers heavy-duty construction in the case, and all the internal components are all steel, including gears and shafts. One of the special features about this machine and not available elsewhere is we have 4 memory presets. The Tach-It Model 6115 offers 4 different modes. The first mode is manual mode, where you just hold the button and it feeds out a desired length. Now, when I did that the first time, it feeds out a small amount. This is used for loading of the machine. Once I hit the cut button and remove that piece, though, I can hold it and it feeds out as long as I want for as long as I press the button. When you're ready, press the cut button. The second mode is the semi-automatic mode. The semi-automatic mode is switched just by pressing this button, and now we're going to feed out 150 millimeters of tape, which is our preset number A. To feed it out, just press the cut button. The tape is fed and cut. As you remove it, the next one would be fed out just by pressing the button again. We also can change presets by just pressing the button. So now we're on our B preset, and we're feeding out less tape. The third mode is our automatic mode. By pressing the button again, we're now going to feed out the designated predetermined length, and as you remove it, the next one feeds out automatically. The fourth mode is a very unique mode. It's a sequential mode. As we mentioned earlier, and as you can see, we have 4 presets here. What the sequential mode will do is it'll go from preset A to B to C to D, then back to A. Now, using this, now I have it set up with 3 sequential numbering, so we're going to go A, B, C, then back to A. So when I hold this for 2 seconds, I remove this piece of tape, we fed out 150, 75, 75, back to 150, back to 75, and 75. This mode is great for sealing of boxes, for assembly, and for kitting work, and for many other applications. You don't have to use all 4 modes or presets as you see here. You can use 2 or 3 or 4 depending on what your sequence requires. Tach-It is also known and are experts in label dispensing and applicating. One of our simpler machines right here is our Tach-It PDL. The PDL system works simply by just pulling the liner and the label comes out. These are great for your standard shipping labels such as Next Day Air or Fragile, this side up. Now the PDL version of our mechanical label dispensers are available from 3-inch up to 24-inch wide. We also have a full line of MDL label dispensers, which are very similar to the PDL, but where the PDL is a table mount, the MDL can be mounted on a wall, saving valuable bench space. For somebody doing a lot of repetitive labeling or consistent labeling, we have our automated label dispensers. Just pull the label, and the next one feeds out automatically. This is our model KL150, and this is one of 8 models that we offer in automated label dispensing equipment. What's nice about this particular model and most of our Tach-It label dispensers is we use a non-contact photo sensor. We can do labels up to 8-inch wide or use miniature labels depending on your specific needs. The KL series, as long as some of our other models, have label counters which are great as a way to judge your employees' productivity. These units are easy to cost justify and create a very positive ROI. They also ensure safety in the workplace because liner paper from labels can be a hazard for slipping on concrete floors. Going back for a second to taping, e-commerce, one of the most popular way to seal small boxes is with what's called an L-clip. An L-clip will go from either the top to the side of a box or from the side to the bottom of a box. This is our Tach-It model 6425. This is a tape unit that can handle up to 2-inch wide tape. Simply put it in, and the tape is applied securely and consistently, completely put down against the carton for security. Now, the model 6425 can handle tape up to 2-inch wide. We have other models depending on the tape width required and the type of tape. We also have models that will work with labels or clear wafer seals. Those models are also available as well. Let's take a look at the 6425 in action, and then we're going to go into our demo room. We're going to talk about our Tach-It Minicon product line. Welcome to the Tach-It demonstration room, and in here we're going to show you some of our Tach-It Minicon label applicators. What's nice about our Minicon label applicators are they're available in a multitude of configurations, and we'll show you a few samples of that here, but they're all modular design. They use the same label head and control system, which means if you're familiar with one, you're pretty much familiar with all of them. This is our Minicon top labeler, and like all of our Minicon units, they use our touchscreen controller. What's nice about this is we have 5 memory presets where you control your label speed, your start delay, which is your positioning of the label on the package, and your stop delay, which is your positioning of the label feed. This particular unit will do top labeling. We have another version very similar that'll do a side label. Over here is our Minicon R, and this is one of our most popular units because the Minicon R will do round product. This is set up with a side labeling head and a wrap station which will rotate the product as it's being fed through, securely applying the label to that product. A couple other examples of some of our unique label applicators is we have our top and bottom system over here with 2 specific labeling heads, one for the bottom, one for the top, and you can turn either one of them on or off or use both depending on your needs. We have our Tach-It Minicon C for wrapping labels around clamshell containers or any other type where you need a label to wrap the full product. The last item we're going to show you right now is our Minicon on a stand. This particular unit is set up as a side mount, but we can also do a top mount. You have a pre-existing conveyor. You want to place this at the end of an exit conveyor for a flow wrapper or a case sealer. This will fit perfectly right within those small dimensions, turning any conveyor into an automated labeling system. All of our label applicators are available and can be seen on our Tach-It website at www.tachit.com. Thank you, and let's open up for questions and answers.